Hi everyone, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel today. My name is Taylor with Active Grow Lighting, and I'm really excited to introduce a brand new product that's not a lighting product, but that perfectly complements our lighting lineup, which is the Walden Grow Tent. When designing the Walden Grow Tent, one of our main goals at Active Grow was to create a tent that provides professional home growers with the functionality they need in an aesthetically pleasing form. We wanted to move away from the stigma of growing in dark basements and bring the grow tent to a communal living space while maintaining an effective, controlled environment. Another goal was to make using and maintaining the tent simple. To achieve this, we incorporated double-wide front doors that allows the plants to be easily accessed or put on full display. We also added side doors that could be rolled up and held in place with the easy-to-use Velcro straps. These side doors allow the grower to reach other areas of the tent when the front door is closed. Another unique feature of both the 4x4 and 2x4 Walden grow tents is the extra-large infinity view front windows. The two window covers can be simply rolled to the side and held in place with the tough Velcro material. These infinity viewing windows allow the grower to easily check on their plant's progress while not disturbing their humidity or temperature. When not in use, the windows can be closed to keep any light from escaping or entering the grow space. All Walden grow tents are manufactured using triple-layer eco-white PEVA material on the exterior, center, and interior of the tent. This material not only creates a clean look for your grow space, but is also toxin-free and emits no hazardous chemical gases. As a result, these tents can be safely placed in communal settings without risk to the grower's friends or family. On a functional level, the eco-white PEVA material on the inside of the Walden grow tent has a 10% higher reflectivity than the leading Mylar material on the market. This maximizes light efficacy while reducing energy usage and heat output, all contributing to an overall more controlled environment for your plants. Other notable features of the Walden grow tent are numerous ports available for use with ventilation systems, electrical cords, and hydroponic irrigation systems. When not in use, the ports can be closed off using the pull tabs that can be locked shut in order to keep light and air from escaping or entering the tent. Another feature is the heavy-duty zippers that make getting access to your plants a breeze and can withstand consistent use over the course of the tent's lifetime without any tearing or ripping. The flaps at the top and bottom of the tent cover the space where the zippers meet in order to help further prevent any light or air leakage. The Walden grow tents also feature side and back air vents. These air vents have a mesh interior liner to keep any small residue from entering or exiting the tent. The tent also includes a side interior pocket for placing any accessories that you may regularly use when checking on your garden. All tents also come standard with a spill tray that keeps liquids and other materials from spreading, allowing the space to be cleaned more easily. The Walden grow tent uses steel poles with hard plastic connectors that lock into place to create a solid frame that supports the tent liner. The tent roof poles can handle up to 110 pounds of weight, and unlike other tents on the market that offer a 1-year warranty, the Walden grow tent comes with a full 2-year warranty. We at Active Grow understand that choosing a tent, a light, and a ventilation system can be a daunting and confusing task. To make things easier, we provide custom manufactured systems that complement our tent and our lighting. The 6-inch inline fan and 6-inch carbon filter are designed to properly handle the ventilation of our 4x4 Walden tent using our Low Pro Max 640-watt LED grow light. The 4-inch inline fan and 4-inch carbon filter are designed to meet the ventilation needs of our 2x4 tent running our Low Pro Max 320-watt fixture. All kits include 25 foot of ducting, as well as 3 ducting clamps and 2 sets of hydroponic hangers. Depending on your ventilation requirements, you can control the fan speed by using the controller that comes standard with both of these kits. You can add any of these accessories onto your order and have everything you need to start growing on day one. All of the Active Grow products in this video are available for purchase at our website, www.activegrowled.com. If you have any feedback for our team, please reach out in the comments below or at our email address, info@activegrowled.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you again for checking out our video today, and now get growing.